Hey everyone, Rayo Daniel here with another exciting release feature from the GoHighLevel platform. GoHighLevel has recently released the ability to do video in the background of your funnels and your websites. Now, this is a really cool feature and I can't wait to show it to you. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. You know YouTube likes that. I like it and I appreciate your support. So let's hop into it here. We're going to open up a funnel here. I'm not going to do a website, but you could do website or funnels, either one of those. But I'm going to choose my newsletter funnel. So I'm going to go here and open up the main page. Now, in the past, you could potentially do video in the background, but it required a lot of detailed CSS, and playing with it, and just it got kind of complicated to get this simple feature to work. Well, it's really great that Highlevel has now built it in there because I'm going to show you within a couple clicks just how easy it is to put a video in the background and how cool it looks. Now, before I show you how to do it on the particular page, one of the things I do want to show you is you cannot do the video background for the entire page. The video background only works between sections of the page. So this little green box that you see around here, that's the section that holds all these other elements. That is the container that you're going to be able to use to put the video in. So again, if we click on the background up in here, click on this, notice that this background image, if we blow this thing up here, if I'll try to blow it up here, notice that it just says background image URL, and color. That's all you're able to do on the entire page background. But if we click on this section, which we just did, and we'll come down here, notice in the bottom right, let me blow this up a bit here, we see that there's a background media type. We could choose image or video. Awesome. It's as simple as selecting the video. Now, another caveat to this, you have to use a hosted video within the GoHighLevel platform. You're not allowed to use YouTube, Vimeo, or any of those other streaming services. You have to host the video inside of Highlevel in order for this feature to work. Hey, real quick, if you're interested in learning some more about the GoHighLevel platform and how you can make money, I have a free course in the description below. Click on the link. I teach you 8 different ways you can make money using the GoHighLevel platform with no money out of pocket. If you haven't signed up for GoHighLevel, there's a link below where you can sign up and get a free trial. Let's get back to the video. So right now, I've already uploaded a nice little video that we're going to have to save us some time. It's already in the media library, so I'm going to scroll back out, click on this little media button, and I'm going to come over here and choose this one about just a woman riding a bicycle in the country. It's a newsletter. I thought, maybe a person riding a bike, how the old fashioned, you would ride a bike and throw a newspaper. Never mind. You get the point. So I thought it would be fitting. Now, I'm going to go ahead and save this, and I'm going to just show you what this looks like. Pop up a preview, and boom, looks beautiful. Absolutely flawless, took very easy to do. Now, the great thing about this is that you don't have to retrofit any of your funnels or websites to use this. All you have to do is go to a section, upload your video, choose the video option that's now available. Boom, now you can put videos on your sites immediately. No reconfiguring needed. That's a beautiful piece of this. So, right now, what I wanted to show you with this, though, is the video is vibrant, it's colorful, but it might be a little bit too much contrast for, it's just too bright. It might take away from what you want to do is you want to get people to sign up for your monthly newsletter, which is what the form is. So rather than taking away from it, we might want to deaden the contrast a little bit. And I want to show you that you could do that using a feature inside of the same area here. So if we come down here, notice that you have a video options. We could select this and say fill, fit, or cover. Those are different options that you could play with to resize the image. But the background video opacity, this is what I was wanting to show you. So here we've got it set to none, but if we do a light fade, notice how the contrast on the color of the video of the screen deadens slightly. If we go to half, it kind of blurs out and becomes white a little bit more. You can still see the video, but it's just not as, the contrast is not as bright. And then if you go to full heavy fade, you can again still see it, but what I want to do is I want to save this, and then I want to come back over here and refresh the page to show you this is the vibrant color that it looks like. And if you refresh it, now what you see is the same video running in the background, but what you're going to end up getting, and it looks like that's the same one. Let me hit refresh again. Might have had a little bit of a delay there. So what we're going to do now is we see that the contrast is a heavy fade. So you see this nice video in the background, but it's just not as bright. It doesn't take away from your funnel. So that's a really great feature that you can add on there as well. And the last and final option piece that I want to be able to show you is this video loop. Now, for this, you can turn this on, and I believe it's on by default, but you can turn this on and then the video will just keep looping, looping, and looping. So the video always plays while you're on the website. Otherwise, if you don't have this on, it'll just loop one time and then stop, and then you'll just see what's at the end of the video. It won't keep playing. So that video loop is probably what most people are going to end up utilizing. But anyway, I just want to show you a really cool feature. It's already on your funnels and your website, so go use it right away. Just click on the section, upload your video, add the video to here, boom, you're ready to go. Now, one other quick thing, some of the movies that you're going to be able to download from the internet are in the .mov, like movie format. Right now, this format is not supported. The MP4, Mike Papa 4, that extension is the only extension of the videos that are supported. So any videos that you upload that are hosted have to be in that format. And if it's not, it'll allow you to upload it. The media library will allow you to upload it, but it will not allow you to use it because it'll tell you it's the wrong format. So rather than waste your time, I just want to give you that as well to save you some time. If you do have videos, use a converter, convert it from that format to an MP4 format, and then you should be good to go. As always, I appreciate your support. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe. Hook a brother up because you know YouTube likes that. It makes my channel grow more, and I appreciate your support. Have a great day.